Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to science class. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 about making sounds. What are we going to learn? In this chapter, you will learn to identify sources of sound. The second is recognize that we hear sounds when they enter our ears. And the third is recognize that as a sound moves away from its source, it gets softer. Now, let's take a look at the picture. What are possible sounds that we can hear in this situation? Yes, we can hear the birds chirping, leaves rustling, dads snoring, waves splashing, moms talking, and we also can hear children's laughing. Can you mention other sounds that we can hear in this situation? Yes, wonderful, my students. We also can hear the wind blowing. To sum up, there are at least 7 different sounds that we can hear in this situation. Well, students, that's all for now. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.